Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make special soya chunks recipe. This soya chunks recipe does not require much time for preparation. Once you make this soya chunk roast recipe, you will really love it. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take some water. When water starts boiling, add 1.5 cup of soya chunks. Add 3/4 teaspoons salt. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes. The soya chunks have cooked well. Using hands, squeeze the soya chunks and remove the water in it. Like this, cut the larger pieces into smaller pieces. Now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add a small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 pods cardamom, 3 cloves. Then add 5 chopped garlic. Mix it and saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 chopped onion. Saute it for 3 minutes. Then add 1 chopped tomato. Saute it for another 3 minutes. Now we can add the masalas. Add 1.5 tablespoon pepper powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon fennel powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and half teaspoon salt. After adding all the masalas, mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add 1.5 cup of water and mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 1 minute. Then add the cooked soya chunks and mix it. Cook on medium flame for 3 minutes. Then cook on high flame until the excess water dries up. Now keep it on low flame and add 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Add some curry leaves, 1 chopped tomato, 3 chopped green chilies. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Switch off the flame. Our tasty soya chunks roast is ready. This is a very tasty recipe. We can have it along with chapati, roti or rice. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.